Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be replacing the rear rotors and brakes. I'll try to make this a quick video. This shouldn't take long, but my rotors and brakes needed replacing for a while now. As you can see, they're pretty worn out, beat up. Yeah, so they need to be changed. So I went ahead and bought some new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on and show you guys how I do it. So I decided to go with the slotted rotors, as you can see, for the rear, because factory didn't come with slotted. Well, not slotted, but cross drilled. I meant to get the cross drill and slotted, but mistakenly I only got the cross drilled. So I'm just have to use these for now. But on the front, I will get cross drilled and slotted. But eventually I'm gonna replace these and get the correct ones that I want. But for now, we're just gonna have cross drilled. So as you can see, this is the old rotor and this is the new rotor. This is what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on, button everything up, and see how she looks. But so far it looks pretty well made. They're heavy, I'm not gonna lie. They're not as light as I would like them to be. Actually, yeah, they're about the same weight as the OEM. So these are pretty much done. As you can see, they're worn, ring around, brake pads are pretty much done. There's a lip on here now, so that shows me they were done. This is kind of chipped away. So, and they were making a noise, so hopefully that noise goes away now that I got new rotors. So I'm gonna head and throw these on, put everything back together. The brake cleaner's about dried off now. Got that all wired, brushed it with a wire brush, clean it up real good, and we'll see. Alright guys, so basically when you do the brake pads, this pin right here, you have to hit it this way, going in this direction towards the car. Even though to some of you it might look like it has to come out the other way, it doesn't. You have to hit it and go towards the car, and this pin will come out. Once you get this pin out, this little clip right here, this piece right here will come out. It basically is like a tensioner. It holds everything together, and then you can slide the brake pads right out. You're definitely going to need a brake pad separator if your brakes are worn down pretty low. I recommend the one that looks like a pair of pliers that you squeeze together, because the other ones, the cheap ones you get from the parts store, are not going to work. But yeah, so all I have to do now is bolt this back up. The brake pads are on, the rotor is on. So all I have to do is bolt this back up and do the other side. And once I do that, I'll be back. Alright guys, so now I have everything bolted down. That's basically it. You just have this T30 right here to take off the rotor. You have two 18mm bolts in the back holding the brake caliper. And like I said, you just got this one pin, this little pin right here that you have to hit to get the brake pads off, and this little tensioner clip right here that holds everything in tight. So yeah, that's it. I believe I have it in the right direction. It really wouldn't go in the other way, so I'm pretty sure that's it right there. But this is what the new rotors look like. So hopefully they do the job. It stops the noise from being made. I just put this stud in just to line everything up, help line everything up when I was putting this T30 screw in. So but yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Just new rotors, new brake pads. Easy job, not too much work. Anybody could do this. So that's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And until next time guys, we're going to be doing the front pretty soon. So like I said, I'm going to have the drilled and slotted rotors for the front. Eventually I'm going to go ahead and ride on these for now, but eventually I'm going to get the drilled and slotted for the rear as well. Like I said, I made a mistake, got the wrong ones. That's on me. But you know, live and you learn. So definitely read the descriptions more thorough when you're buying stuff online, but it is what it is. So I'm happy with it. These are the old ones. That's what they look like. Now these are the new ones. Looks way better. And I'm also going to get a shot with it on the ground with the wheels on. So, and oh yes, we also have to do what's called a break-in procedure or process. You have to break in the new rotors and brakes. We're also going to do that as well. Might do that in another short video. So, but like I said guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. And hit the like button. And also hit that bell notification so you know when I drop new videos. Until next time guys, stay safe. Happy holidays. I'm out. Alright, one thing I forgot to mention is the speed sensor or brake pad wear sensor. Whatever it is. I didn't have one on the other side, but I have one on this side. So what I did was I used the E socket number 12 to get the bolt off. The bolt goes on the back right here, and it goes on to that. Let me get the light in. That piece right there. And it's just an E. I use the E12. I'm not sure that's the correct size, but that's what worked for me. You can look it up to see what size it takes, but yeah, that's what you use to pull that out. And you're supposed to replace it, but because I forgot about it, I'm not going to replace it. I'll replace it later, probably when I change the rotors again, then I'll replace it. But yeah, it's just an E12. That's what I use to get it out. Then it's not in tight, and you don't have to put it back in super tight. Just snug. It's a little plastic piece with a metal bolt, so you don't want to do it too tight anyway. But I just wanted to add that little bit in there. Alright, so here are the end results. The rotors, they look like in the car. I think they look really nice. I have no complaints. They start pretty good. Like I said, I'm gonna do another video showing you the braking procedure. But for now, they look pretty decent on the car. Get a quick sound of the exhaust. Yeah, the exhaust still sounds pretty good. But yeah, I like the way these rotors look on this car. Give it a more, I guess, muscle car look or more modern look. But yeah. So, like I said, eventually I'm gonna do the front rotors. They still got the factory ones on there. And those they come factory, cross-drilled. So, I'm gonna go ahead and update those with the cross-drilled and slotted rotors. But that's it for now, guys. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when I post videos. Until next time, I'm out.